Disclaimer. All information is directly pulled from the most current listings of United States codes at the time of uploading. No person should take the information or interpretations presented here as legal advice, or advice of any kind. All legal research or request for legal interpretations should be done individually, as all information presented can be changed at any moment. United States Code Title II, the Congress. Chapter 2, Organization of Congress. Section 30B, Notice of Objecting to Proceeding. Paragraph A. The text reads: In general, the majority and minority leaders of the Senate or their designees shall recognize a notice of intent of a senator who is a member of their caucus to object to proceeding to a measure or matter only if the senator. This means the Senate majority and minority leaders will listen to a senator of their party objecting to an action or rule only if that senator does the following. Paragraph A. Line 1. The text reads: Following the objection to a unanimous consent to proceeding to, or passage of, a measure or matter on their behalf, submits the notice of intent in writing to the appropriate leader or their designee, and. This means, if the senator is objecting to a decision all other parties agreed to, they must submit the objection in writing. Paragraph A. Line 2. The text reads: Not later than 6 session days after the submission under paragraph 1, submits for inclusion in the congressional record and in the applicable calendar section described in subsection B, the following notice. I, Senator blank, intend to object to proceedings to blank, dated blank for the following reasons blank. This means the objecting senator must also submit this written objection to the congressional record and the congressional calendar within 6 days. The following is the written statement that must be made. I, Senator blank, intend to object to proceedings to blank, dated blank for the following reasons blank. Paragraph B. Line 1. The text reads: In general, the Secretary of the Senate shall establish for both the Senate Calendar of Business and the Senate Executive Calendar a separate section entitled Notice of Intent to Object to Proceeding. This means the Secretary of the Senate will have separate sections for Notice of Intent to Object to Proceeding on both the Senate Business Calendar and Executive Calendar. Paragraph B. Line 2. The text reads: Content. The section required by paragraph 1 shall include A. The name of each senator filing a notice under subsection A.2. B. The measure or matter covered by the calendar that the senator objects to, and C. The date the objection was filed. This means the objection section of the calendars has to include the name of the objecting senators, what proceeding they are objecting to, the date the objection was filed. Paragraph B. Line 3. The text reads: Notice. A senator who has notified their respective leader and who has withdrawn their objection within the 6 session day period is not required to submit a notification under subsection A.2. This means if the objecting senator withdraws their objection with 6 congressional working days, no formal submission is required. Paragraph C. The text reads: Removal. A senator may have an item with respect to the senator removed from a calendar to which it was added under subsection B, by submitting for inclusion in the congressional record the following notice. I, Senator blank, do not object to proceed to blank, dated blank. This means a senator can have their formal objection removed by submitting a written notice that reads as follows. I, Senator blank, do not object to proceed to blank, dated blank. I am not a lawyer, a politician, a representative of the United States government, or an expert in any field related to any of the information being presented here. I am merely a concerned citizen hoping to bring the rules that dictate our country to light in an easier to understand fashion than is being presented to us currently. Thank you. Please go to the Office of the Law Revision Council for a complete list of up-to-date versions of United States codes. The link is in the description below. https://uscode.house.gov. Please like and subscribe for more releases and updates.